Looks like they're the same, Makita versus Milwaukee. But I'm going to tell you who the winner is. Milwaukee. And here's why. I used to have all of these with the Makita. I had the grinder, the Sawzall, the multi-tool, and the drill. And most of those have all broken on the Makita, but over many years of hard use. But here's the reason that I want you to go with the Milwaukee versus the Makita. And they don't give me any money. I wish they did, but they don't give me any money. This is just me telling you what I think. So here's the main deal. If you look at the Milwaukee battery, simple slide metal, really easy, hard to break systems. Just some little metal tongues in there that are larger in size. And then here on their charger, really hard, easy, simple metal fins. And then if you come over to the Makita, they have this little plastic insert. All right. Now what's supposed to happen is that this plastic insert is supposed to pop right in to that plastic insert, right? And it works until it doesn't. And then what happens is, eventually, if you look in this one, it's all sort of mucked up, and there's basically this piece broken off in there. And if you look at these 3 batteries, which I've saved, that's all happened to them. Now, in addition to this thing breaking off, over the years, I've also found that the Makita batteries die quicker than the Milwaukee's. Now, it seems like the newer upgrades of these batteries actually are lasting longer, but it doesn't matter if they last longer because these fins break out and then they're useless. So that's the bottom line. That's the point of this whole video, is just to tell you that this battery system with the Milwaukee is so far superior for longevity's sake, and for just, hammering on your tools. It's just going to last way longer.